hamster with my hat full of questions. Oh, I heard a funny noise. Do you know what it was? Yes, a hiccup. It wasn't you, was it? No? Then let's go and visit Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave and see if one of them has the hiccups.
Hello, Hattie.
Hello, Ruff-Ruff. So you're the one with the hiccups.
Yes.
I've got them too.
Yes, you have, Tweet. What about you, Dave?
I've got really big hiccups.
So all three of you have hiccups.
Yes. Hiccups are funny, but I don't want to have them all day.
Don't worry, Tweet. Hiccups come and go. But sometimes they need a little help to go more quickly.
Can we find a way to make our hiccups go away on our adventure today? Ask the hat. Ask the hat.
Okay. Today we're going on a Hiccup Adventure.
Yay! Hiccup
Adventure.
Yes, to your Rolly Pods.
Yeah! Yeah! All right! Yay! Woohoo!
All aboard the spin again for a Hiccup Adventure.
Yay! Yeah! Whee! Here we go!
Time for some hiccupy fun.
Ruff. Hup. Let's look for something to stop our hiccups.
I think we should.
Find someone to help us?
Yes.
Good idea, Dave.
I'm going to dig a hole. Ruff.
No time for digging, Ruff-Ruff. We're off to...
The farm to ask for help.
But I like digging holes. Aw. Coming.
Hello, Cindy Squirrel. Can you show us how to stop hiccups?
Oh. Huh?
Cindy Squirrel stops her hiccups by eating a nut.
It's Speedy Sheep.
How do you stop hiccups, Speedy?
Speedy Sheep stops hiccups by running really fast.
Well, it looks like Cindy Squirrel and Speedy Sheep do something that they really like to stop their hiccups.
Maybe that would work for us.
That's a great idea, Dave. Who wants to try first?
Me.
Go, Ruff-Ruff!
Oh, my hat! I feel a game coming on. Let's play!
Game time! Game time!
Hoo-hoo! Who knows something that Ruff-Ruff really likes doing?
Digging.
Sleeping!
Eating a banana.
Who do you think is right? Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or Dave? Yes! It's Ruff-Ruff!
Yay. I really like digging holes.
Then let's see if digging stops your hiccups, Ruff-Ruff.
Ruff, Ruff. 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 Ruff.
Have they gone?
Yes. Digging has made my hiccups go away. Ruff.
Yay!
Perhaps we should try digging too.
Has it worked?
I think it has. Oh no!
Oh, digging made my hiccups a little bit smaller.
Come on, Dave. Let's find what Tweet really likes to do to stop her hiccups.
I like having fun with our friends. Huh? Hello, baby
Calf.
We're trying to stop Tweet's hiccups.
That sounds so funny, baby calf.
Tweet really likes giggling.
Yes, I do. I love to giggle.
Have your gone?
They have.
Baby Calf found the thing you really like to do and stopped your hiccups.
Thank you, baby calf.
Bye, baby calf.
Poor Dave. You've still got your hiccups.
Maybe giggling would make your hiccups go away too, Dave.
It might work, but what I was trying to say was...
Look at this, Dave.
Look at me. Oh, oh. Woohoo! Hooray! Have your hiccups gone now, Dave?
Oh, Ruff, they haven't.
But laughing did make them a bit smaller.
We have to help you, Dave.
We have to find something you really, really like.
Ooh, I can feel another question coming on. Let's play!
Game time! Game time!
Who knows what Dave really, really likes? Here's a hatty hint. It's something you eat.
Bananas!
Do you think Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave are right? Of course they are!
Yay!
That's what I was trying to tell you. But I kept hiccuping. Yum.
Oh, no! I thought doing what you really, really like would stop your hiccups.
So did I.
They are smaller.
You have the trickiest hiccups I've ever known, Dave.
I have a blue panda idea.
You do?
Everything we've done to stop our hiccups has made my hiccups a little bit smaller.
And if you put them all together, that would stop your hiccups.
Yes.
I feel a game coming on. Let's all play.
Game time! Game time!
To stop Dave's hiccups, we need your help. Who can remember the 3 things that Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave have done that made Dave's hiccups a little bit smaller?
Running, digging, and eating a banana.
Digging, talking, and giggling.
Digging, giggling, and eating a banana.
Who do you think is right? Is it Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or Dave? It's Dave! Let's see if putting them all together stops your hiccups, Dave.
Go, Dave! Dig a hole! Dig a hole! Giggle! Whee!
Blah, 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 blah.
Eat a banana!
Yummy.
Has Dave's plan worked?
No hiccups.
Hooray!
Yeah!
Well done, all of you. You see, everyone has their own way of making hiccups go away.
Bye-bye, hiccups!
Now it's time to go home. To the spin again!
Here we go! Whee!
That was a fun adventure, wasn't it? And all the hiccups have gone away for another day. Oh, the final guessing game, just for you. Can you guess who will fall asleep first today? Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or Dave? It was Dave. It's always Dave. See you again soon for another adventure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.